Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unmute someone on Discord. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Discord on your device and make sure that your account is signed in on the application. Now go to a voice chat. Make sure that someone else is also in this voice chat. Click on join stage to join this voice chat. Select an individual that you want to mute or unmute on Discord and right click your mouse. So in here you'll be able to find the mute option. You can check it to enable mute or to mute someone on the voice chat and uncheck it to unmute someone on the voice chat. And there you have it, folks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video.